Hi Tulsa, thanks for having me back again this week. I'm Jonathan Witte, General Manager for the Oliveto Italian Bistro here at 91st and Memorial. If you enjoy both pasta and seafood, you're going to love what we're making today. I'll be walking you through how to make our crab cake Italiano. We'll start off with 2 hand-breaded crispy crab cakes served on a bed of angel hair pasta. Our angel hair pasta is going to be tossed with lemon butter, mushrooms, tomatoes, and Alfredo sauce. Then we'll top our crab cakes with a drizzle of chipotle aioli. Let's head back to the kitchen and we'll make one together. First, we will prep our crab cakes. In a large mixing bowl, place about a ½ pound of chopped shrimp, 1 pound of crab meat, a 1/4 cup of mayonnaise, a 1/4 cup of water, about 6 ounces of Cajun seasoned breadcrumbs, and 1 lightly beaten egg. Here at Oliveto, we use the egg with the breading to help bind the crab cakes together. Finally, we'll mix this up well. Using a scoop, portion out your crab cakes onto a sheet tray. Press gently to flatten and form the crab cakes. Once we've made the crab cakes, we'll refrigerate them for about 30 minutes so they become firm and set. Next, we'll place 2 ounces of olive oil in a heated sauté pan. We'll take our crab cakes and press each side into the panko breading. The panko breading gives the crab cakes the extra crispy texture we're looking for. We'll pan sear each side for about 2 minutes. While our crab cakes finish cooking, we'll prepare the pasta. In a heated sauté pan, add 3 ounces of lemon garlic butter, 2 ounces of mushrooms, and cook this for about 30 seconds. Add 2 ounces of diced tomatoes and 6 ounces of angel hair pasta with 1 tablespoon of Asiago cheese. Toss this well before landing the pasta in the center of your plate. Next, we'll ladle 2 ounces of Alfredo sauce on top of the pasta. Finally, we'll top the pasta with 2 of our delicious golden brown crab cakes and give them a drizzle of the chipotle aioli. So there you have it, Oliveto's delicious crab cake Italiano. If this entree looks good to you, let us make one for you today. Call or order online at olivetobistro.com to receive our friendly curbside service. If you prefer delivery, you can always reach out to one of our delivery partners, DoorDash or Grubhub. We look forward to feeding your family soon.